Aloha Fiji, Namaste, Assalamualaikum, and good evening to you. Welcome to Chechemon. I trust that you are having a great evening from whatever part of our beautiful country you are joining me from, including our viewers on Walesi, the Walesi app, and our YouTube channel. Thank you for your company. A special mula to our viewers joining us up in the friendly north, the province of Maduwata and surrounding areas. I hope you enjoy our show tonight. Now, earlier this month, Broadcasting House celebrated our 65th birthday at a lavish event which was hosted at the Grand Pacific Hotel here in the capital. Aside from our epic rebranding to the Fijian Broadcasting Corporation, there was a lot of stylish staff in attendance. Our cameras were on standby to capture the fashion on the evening. Take a look.
I'm wearing a blue outfit, which is the theme of FDC's birthday. So from top to bottom, and a hint of red to match the theme. No, I didn't spend anything on my outfit. I think I bought this some years back and just decided to wear it. I did it. I think it took me about an hour. I was running out of time, but I really had to struggle. Because we don't wear sari that often, but it looks elegant too.
My outfit, well, it's actually my mom's, so I didn't have time to go out and look for anything, so I got this from her. I think it's a bit of a classic. I did it. I did it myself, yeah. Maybe an hour. Go with whatever you feel comfortable in. Don't make yourself stress out or be in pain throughout an event. Dress comfortably.
Well, tonight I was dressed actually by Zulfikar Ali and Sunita Taprabana, and basically just coming in beautiful Indian attire. That's a secret. A lady never tells how much it costs. I was in hair and makeup for about an hour, and basically another hour, so 2 hours in total. Best fashion advice, never leave things to the last minute.
Well, my outfit is a cowl dress with backless, which is backless, and so it's a simple dress, and I'm very comfortable in this dress. I'm afraid I won't be able to tell you that. I did my hair and makeup today. Well, the good thing is that I do my makeup every week for my show, so it doesn't really take me too long to get dressed. So yeah, it took me about like 45 minutes to do hair and makeup. Was to be comfortable in whatever you wear, wherever you go, as long as you're comfortable. So that's what I follow every day.
All right, now this is like a last minute thing, that is, I had to call somebody up at the 11th hour. She's a seamstress, and asked if she could put something together for me. The material was just dropped off yesterday and picked up like an hour ago. Okay, now that's, a lady never tells, Well, because by the time I got home, my husband was already dressed. So I had to, you wouldn't believe it, I think less than half an hour, that's a record for me. Wear always wear something that you're comfortable in.
Well, the theme is sapphire blue and I'm wearing blue. Oh, this? Oh, it's an old thing that I had, from March. 45 minutes. Oh, you know what? The best I've ever gotten was to just be comfortable.
Okay, so my outfit would be home couture, if I could call it that. This actually belongs to my mom. Don't tell her I told you. And everything else you're seeing tonight is basically something that I already had at home, but I just didn't, have a chance to wear it. And then, because tonight's theme is basically the Sapphire 65th celebrations, and then ta-da! You have this. Although this was made last week Friday with some friends over grog. So basically, yeah. Today, 15 minutes. So luckily I took a nap before I came. So yeah, I'm wide awake. Simple is always chic. Yeah. Everybody I heard was coming on Met Gala, Oscars, and I was just like, whatever's at home, I'm coming in that.
My outfit today, I wear a suit, and this suit I wore at my wedding, and I didn't have anything else to wear it to, so I thought it fits with the theme as well. It's blue, so it's sapphire blue, so yeah, I thought I'd wear it tonight. This outfit cost around $450. That's just the suit, but not including the shoes. The shoes would probably make it over $520. I did it myself because I'm a guy, easy, just throw some gel on and hope for the best. I actually got ready at 4:45 and was ready by 5, so not long. If you're wearing something light on top, balance it with something dark at the bottom or vice versa. Something light at the bottom, wear something dark on top.
My outfit, I got it at Shopaholic. That's in, oh gosh, it's like, I don't even know where that is. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of the street. But yeah, got it at Shopaholic, last minute. This dress was actually $90. Oh, my makeup was done by Beauty Bar at Zubair, Fiji. Yeah, and I did my own hair. Oh my god, it took me 2 hours to get dressed. Always have a smile. Always have a smile. Thank you.
Our 65th birthday celebration and rebranding to the Fijian Broadcasting Corporation with our stylish theme. A great evening had by all in attendance. I hope you're enjoying our show this evening, Fiji. We head to a short break. Up next, we take an evening gown trip down memory lane with Miss Universe as we count down to the 2019 edition. See you soon.